Hey guys, and welcome to the very end of what has without question been the busiest year of our entire lives. A year that actually started in a whole another country, and then of course our big lap around Australia, and now we're home and it's just felt like an absolute whirlwind.
I know, it feels like so much longer than a year with how much we've done, and yet
Yep.
it has gone so quickly. And we were talking about it earlier, and we said if we were to write down everything we've done this year on a bit of paper and then show that to us at the start of the year,
It'd be this long.
like there's no way we would ever have believed that we would be able to do so much and experience so much in just 12 months. So absolutely insane.
Absolutely, and to have also documented that as well and filmed the process as we travelled around Australia, first and foremost so you guys can join us along the trip and watch as our journey unfolds, but also we really personally just enjoy looking back at our adventures as well and kind of seeing what we did throughout the year.
It is really nice.
Yeah, and some of those episodes are still yet to come out. Actually, quite a few episodes still left to come out just with the way the backlog tends to be.
Absolutely.
So stay tuned for those coming out very soon in the new year. But in the meantime, we are going to take a couple of weeks just to kind of relax, unwind, try to have a couple of weeks off work if that's possible. I'm not sure if that's something either of us can do, but
it's currently Christmas Eve and we're still editing, but we can try.
yeah, it's been an insanely busy year, the busiest of our entire lives. And every year we kind of do these recaps and we're like, oh, that was the busiest year ever. I wonder what next year will hold. And then that's just always consecutively a busier and busier year. I don't think 2026 is going to be as busy as this year,
No,
but I suppose we'll wait and see.
I almost hope that it's not, only because I don't know if I could do 2 years back to back being as busy as this one has, but in saying that, it has been absolutely incredible.
Yeah.
And I guess we should say a massive thank you to everyone who's watched along. So everyone that's watching our channels, everyone who's subscribed, who's watched our videos, who's commented, and who's come up to us in person, all of you, you guys are what has made this whole year possible. And yeah, from the bottom of our hearts, thank you so much for your support, because we honestly could not have done everything we've done this year without you guys. So that's absolutely just huge. It blows us away.
Absolutely, and beyond that as well, a special shout out to our Patreons and YouTube members as well. Your support, honestly, it astounds us that people are willing to support our channel and to get that extra behind the scenes content. It really,
the imposter syndrome
it goes a long way to supporting the channel and keeping stuff coming out, and just keeping the wheels in motion, I suppose. And I'm getting eaten by an ant. If you're wondering why I'm just playing around with my foot, I've just been bitten by an ant.
Oh, fun fact, this time last year, the same thing happened.
Yeah, but massive shout out to everyone who's supported the channel in any way, shape or form, whether that's a single view on a single video. It would be weird if it was this recap video, but either way.
Thank you anyway.
All the way through to our Patreon YouTube members, it means the absolute world to us. So thank you.
Yeah, and I guess with that we should say we hope you guys will have a very Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Yep.
And we are gonna go and take our break now and have a rest from YouTube and everything. So it might be a little quiet, and yeah, I guess we'll just have to see what happens next year.
Yeah, so in the meantime, enjoy this usual montage for our end of year trip. This one might be a little bit longer than usual with the amount we did this year. We love putting these together, so I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the new year 2026.
Yeah, happy camping.
Get on your feet, this sights to see. Roll